guys! I'm Tony and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year nga pala! It's finally 2021 and for today's vlog nandito kami ngayon sa Tafaranuwi. So, if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and to tap the notification bell para updated kayo every time may bagong video just like. Andito kami ngayon ni Ivan sa Tafaranuwi, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes away from South Auckland. Pa-up north siya lang, pa-up north siya. And then, as you can, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung kaano kadaming tao at the moment. Parang walang COVID dito, in fairness lang. Siguro yun na yung kinaganda dito sa New Zealand kasi parang slowly back to normal. Pero syempre, doon pa rin yung social distancing and stuff. Pero
social.
parang back to normal na talaga. So, very grateful talaga na nandito kami ngayon sa New Zealand. So, ngayon na nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang itsura. Dito sa Tafaranuwi, they have cool caves and rocks na pwede nyo akyatin, especially if low tide. They have a white sandy beach and the sand is so soft and squishy and the waves are really enjoyable for a swim. Siyempre, kung dito kayo sa beach, make sure magdala kayo ng inyong sunblock, ng hat. Yun nga, sunblock talaga is the key to success kasi masyadong harsh ang sun rays dito, ang UV rays dito sa New Zealand. Medyo malamig ang tubig, pero anong masasabi mo sa tubig? Pag okay nandoon naman, hindi na masyado malamig.
Okay na.
Pero ako, hanggang ano lang talaga ako, Victoria, and video. Sige, maligo muna si Ivan.
Maligo muna tayo.
Hey guys, this is how we use the, what do you call this? The mais as a brush for your barbecue.
Mag-aura-aura moment muna tayo. Dito sa Tafaranuwi Regional Park, they have a clean toilet facility and changing area. At kung hindi nyo naman gusto mag-swimming, marami silang walks available. They have a coastal track and a native bush track. Aside from that, meron silang camping ground na pwede kayo makakita ng mga kiwi bird kasi nga, ang area na to ay isa ring bird sanctuary. So make sure no dogs allowed, and aside from that, please bring your rubbish with you pagkatapos nyo mag-camping. Hindi ako makakita ng any cons sa beach na ito aside from the fact na sobrang traffic around Warkworth. So, I think tatapusin ko na ang vlog na ito. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and enjoy Tafaranuwi Beach this summertime. Till next time everyone, have a good day. Bye-bye!